Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Coach tutorial. For this one we want to show you how to navigate your new MacBook and also how to use hand gestures. So without further ado, I want to start with the most important thing here. It's your Spotlight search function. So when you tap that little magnifying glass, this is the Spotlight search you can use to find apps. So if you're not sure where to find something, just go there, type in the name of that app, and it'll bring up where you can launch that app from, also information about that app as well. Really useful function for your new MacBook. Another cool thing that you need to become acquainted with is your Finder. Now when you open up your MacBook, it's always on. That's why the little folder has a dot underneath it. But your Finder is on your dock, and it's also at the very top of your screen when you turn on your MacBook. So when you go into Finder, what you'll see is it's basically like your Windows Explorer window. It's all of your files, your folders, your apps, things like that. So whenever you're looking for an app or looking for a file, you just go here, search for it, and you can find it just like you would on Windows. Now the next thing I want to talk to you about is your system preferences. So if you are not a fan of my video, you want to just see something that's going to be a little bit more repetitive, you can go into system preferences, go under trackpad, and you'll see a lot of the same hand gestures that I covered today. So if you're not a fan of listening to my voice, or you need something a little bit more repetitive, just again go to system preferences, go on trackpad, and you'll see the exact same hand gestures in GIF form. But let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing I want to actually go over is how to use hand gestures to navigate. So when you tap on your Safari window, you just use, or any window or app, you just use one finger to click down or tap on that trackpad, and that opens anything. Now we're in full screen here, so I want to scroll up and down using my two fingers. But since we're in full screen and the app picks up all of the entire page, I want to be able to get to my main screen. I'm going to use those three fingers to swipe left and right. That's how you swipe between full screen applications. Now the very next thing I want to show you outside of that is actually how you can open your Launchpad. So you use your four fingers to squeeze down on the trackpad to find your apps, and you squeeze open in order to get rid of that. So again, you squeeze in to find your Launchpad where all your apps are, squeeze out to get rid of that screen. Finally, here's how you right click. You use your two fingers to right click on any object, and that brings up the right click menu like you would on a Microsoft machine. This is also a place where you would do things like AirDrop and email programs and files. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.